Once logged in, you should be directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard page, scroll down to find the network section. Click on the VPC drop-down, select VPC. Click on the button Create New VPC. Choose the data center location where you want to deploy your VPC. Now configure your VPC. You will need to configure your VPC settings. Fill in the following fields. Enter a name for your VPC, for example in Mumbai. Remaining fields are usually default option unless you have custom networking needs. Click Create the VPC. Your VPC is now created. If you need to add a subnet to your VPC, go to the subnet section. Click on Create New Subnet to add a new subnet. Configure subnet settings. In the subnet configuration, fill in the following details. Subnet name, enter a name for your subnet, for example, my test subnet. Auto-assign public IPv4 address. Choose whether to automatically assign public IPv4 addresses to instances in this subnet. Default subnet, select this option if you want this subnet to be the default subnet. Subnet type, choose the type of subnet, for example, public or private. Remaining fields are usually default option unless you have custom networking needs. Once you've filled in the subnet details, click Create Subnet to finalize the process. Your subnet is now created and attached to the VPC. Congratulations, your VPC is ready. You've successfully created a VPC and a subnet in Utho Cloud. You can now deploy resources such as virtual machines, databases, Kubernetes, etc. within this VPC. Thanks for watching.